In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix enabling two-factor authentication on Facebook. This is an essential security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your account, ensuring that even if someone has your password, they won't be able to access your account without a second form of verification. Let's walk through the steps to get you set up. First, you'll want to head over to Facebook. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small downward arrow or possibly your profile picture. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to a variety of settings and options. Next, in the drop-down menu that appears, search for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Give that a click. This section is where you can manage all the nitty-gritty details of your Facebook account. From here, you'll see another option for settings. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in settings, you'll need to locate the Account Center. This is a centralized hub where Facebook lets you manage your account settings across all its apps and services. Click on Account Center to proceed. Inside the Account Center, you'll see a section called Password and Security. Select this option. It's vital to regularly review this section to ensure your account is secure and protected against unauthorized access. Now, within Password and Security, look for two-factor authentication. This is the feature we're here to enable. Click on it and you'll be taken to a screen that guides you through setting up two-factor authentication. Here, you'll have a few options on how you can receive your second factor of authentication. Typically, you can choose between receiving a text message, using an authentication app, or even a security key. Each method has its own benefits, so choose the one that best suits your needs. For instance, using an authentication app might offer more security than a text message, but it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and what you find most convenient. Once you've selected your preferred method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Facebook will guide you through each step, often requiring you to verify your choice through a code sent to your phone or app. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. This extra step might seem like a hassle, but believe me, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that your account is secure. Make sure to keep your backup codes in a safe place in case you ever lose access to your authentication method. Thank you for watching, and remember, securing your online presence is more important than ever. Stay safe out there.